What if, instead of opening ChatGPT, writing prompts, copying the results into different tools, and repeating the process over and over, you could simply delegate the entire task to an AI worker? That's the idea behind Claw AI Army. It claims to bring together 341 specialized AI agents, 259 skills, and 82 workflow agents, with support for WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and the web. But is this actually useful, or is it just another AI tool with a lot of impressive numbers? In this video, I'll quickly show you what Claw AI Army is, how the workflow works, who it's actually for, and my honest verdict at the end. Claw AI Army is positioned around a simple concept. Stop prompting, start delegating. Instead of treating AI like a chatbot where you ask one question and get one answer, the platform is designed around specialized AI agents that can handle different parts of a business workflow. For example, you could give an instruction like, build a complete campaign for a new offer targeting local gym owners. According to the sales page, a launch claw can work on things like campaign positioning, landing page copy, email sequences, ad variations, social content, and even video scripts. The interesting part is that these tasks are intended to stay connected within the same project, so you can continue giving instructions without starting completely from scratch every time. The workflow is pretty straightforward. First, you open a supported channel such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or the web. Then you message the appropriate Claw agent and describe what you want done. The agent can ask for additional information if it needs it. You can then review or approve the plan when necessary, and the system is designed to return the completed work and files. So the main difference here isn't simply, I can write content. We already have plenty of tools that can do that. The bigger idea is, instead of asking AI for individual outputs, you assign AI an actual job. That could potentially save a lot of repetitive work for marketers, freelancers, agencies, creators, and online business owners. Now let's talk about where this could actually be useful. One obvious use case is marketing campaigns. Instead of separately creating your positioning, landing page, emails, ads, social posts, and video scripts, the platform is designed to connect those tasks into one larger workflow. Another use case is content production. If you're running a website, social media account, affiliate business, or marketing agency, there are dozens of repetitive tasks that happen every week. And that's where an agent-based workflow can potentially become more useful than simply having another chatbot. The platform currently promotes 259 skills and 82 workflow agents, covering different types of business and production tasks. And because the system can be accessed through familiar messaging platforms, the idea is that you don't necessarily have to sit inside another complicated dashboard every time you want something done. There are a few things I particularly like about the concept. First is the delegation model. It's a much more natural way to think about AI. Instead of saying, give me 10 headlines, you can potentially say, create the marketing campaign for this offer, and let the agent work through the different pieces. Second is the multi-channel access. Being able to interact through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or the web could make the system more convenient for people who don't want another complicated software interface. And third is the focus on workflows rather than isolated AI generations. That's important because real business tasks usually involve multiple steps, not just one prompt and one answer. But there are also some things you should keep in mind before buying anything. First, don't assume that having hundreds of AI agents automatically means you'll get hundreds of times better results. The quality of the final output will still depend on the instructions you provide, the underlying models, the workflow configuration, and your own review. Second, AI-generated business content still needs human checking. You should fact-check important information, review marketing claims, check links, and approve anything before publishing or sending it to customers. And finally, If you're looking at Claw AI Army mainly because of the AI workforce concept, make sure the actual workflows match what you personally need. More features don't necessarily mean more value if you only use a few of them. So who would I say this is best suited for? I'd look at it if you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, freelancer, agency owner, marketer, or small business owner who regularly performs repetitive digital tasks. If you're only looking for a basic chatbot to answer questions, there may be simpler options. But if you're interested in delegating multi-step business workflows to AI agents, that's where Claw AI Army becomes much more interesting. So, what's my final verdict? Claw AI Army is an interesting concept, especially if you want to move beyond basic prompting and start thinking about AI as a digital workforce. The combination of specialized agents, workflow automation, multiple skills, and chat-based interaction makes it worth checking out. But I wouldn't recommend buying it simply because you see a big number of agents or skills. Look at the actual workflows, see whether they fit your business, and decide based on the tasks you want AI to handle. If you want to check out Claw AI Army and see the current offer for yourself, I'll put the link in the description below. And if you found this review useful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of AI tools and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.